Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, based on the title below, today we're going to be doing the Scoop the Money Challenge. I thought this would be a pretty interesting one. I've seen a lot of people doing this video, which I think is pretty cool. It's an old challenge, probably like a year ago, but it's very interesting. And I myself also did this video once, and I deleted the video. I don't even remember. Why did we delete the video? I don't even remember why we deleted the video, but I did. So I decided to try it again. Ready. So we can basically see who's going to be the winner. And the rules of the game is that you will get 1 minute to basically scoop the money. And whatever amount of money you scoop is yours. What type of stuff's already? Or you even know if you will go first.
Go with this closest already coming.
But we never say yeah, alright, for sure.
Turn the time.
Never see your head band. I not trust you. I don't trust you. Alright. So he's gonna go first. Hold on. Let me turn my timer on. I feel like you're seeing. Alright. So let me get my timer on. So he has a minute to basically scoop the money. Wait, where's the timer? I'm looking for it, but I'm not.
Look on clock.
Clock? What that do? All of a sudden, all of a sudden I can't find where I look for. The clock there again, James?
Alright.
Yes. My God, in this room I don't even know how to operate my own phone. Touch. Oh. Okay. Ready? Ready.
No.
Take up it. Here. And here you go. Whoa, ready. Alright, go. No, wait. So when I say ready, they start going.
Alright.
Okay. Alright, go. Cha-cha.
Don't touch my things, man. Move, man. You touch my money. I can't hear you touch my money.
But not touch no money.
Literally just hear you touch my money.
If him get more money than me go. It not go in well. Not like this. Belly hurt, I'm hungry now. I swear. If you get more money than me. Oh, stop. Alright, come. So he's gonna tell us how many money he has. Let's see. Low me. Alright, count the money we have so we know how much money I have.
We're not rich.
Oh my God, are you gonna count the money? So we can get it over with. So we can win the game. Eh? Whew. I swear if I get more money than me, I'm gonna go upset. How much money you have?
Wait.
Okay, so you just want to talk. Okay, alright, go on. Cause I swear. You got no money?
No. Yeah.
You have more money than me. How many shots?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow.
7, 8.
No.
Yeah. 9, 10.
So guys, these are all $100 bills. So.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
not look good.
3,000.
Ah!
1, 2, 3,300.
$3,300?
3,200.
I'm sure I'm gonna be scooping more money than you do. Come on.
I'm not super low.
I'm gonna get more money than you. But no, me I get more money than you. That should show you. But no, me I get more money than you. Come. I feel like I did that sick. I feel like I did that sick, you know. Hey! Ramp me though. Don't dry too tight.
Life not easy, you know.
Life is not easy. What does that have to do with the game, bro? Talking about life is not easy. Okay, my eyes are closed.
Look up for money. Look up
Put them back here. You put them back here.
Yeah, them did it.
I'm gonna trust you.
Come on.
What one?
Put it up. My passcode.
Password. 161187.
Alright.
I feel like you're free. I feel like you're
I'm
push.
broken glasses.
Oh shit, take out my glasses off the table.
Start.
Ready?
Start.
I'm gonna trust you.
Come on.
No, JM! What am I them there?
Right, listen.
No.
Okay, man. It's plaque.
JM.
Scoop it, man. Scoop it.
I'm not trust you. You take one more. You move the money.
Liar, take one.
Oh, you move the money. You move the money.
No, you are pushing money.
You're moving the money.
You can't want to put it when you're ready, man. You
No, you put the money is not supposed to be all the way over there. You move the money.
You are pushing.
No, you are doing it.
You are pushing.
That's no. No, I'm done. No.
Stop.
You thief the money.
You thief the money. Look out for the thing, man. I don't think, man. Take out the black book. Watch it. Money drop on the ground. You'll be able to get no money.
Because you push for the money.
You push for the money.
You push for the money, Jay. Take this off.
Be like it.
No.
That's all I get.
Take this off.
Alright.
Woo. Jamie, I cheat.
I know what you know.
I swear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $900. I know I'm cheat. I know pass my glasses. I can't see nothing. I can't see shit. Damn. I know I'm watching the video. I got to say a thief.
You know what thief nothing?
Guys,
Jesus Christ.
tell me if you're not cheat.
Okay.
Alright, y'all are gonna comment down below and tell me if he cheated. That's dumb, right?
Excuse me. I go up for it.
So you gotta try again?
After one time, I'm gonna go.
Alright, one again because more about my try. You thief. I'm gonna feel justified. No, you shouldn't even get no more tracker. You get too much in money.
Well, I know one time I'm gonna go. You're not going.
How many minutes? 9 minutes? Come, because you don't want to make the game too long. My offer win. I don't like this.
Welcome.
Whew, I'm getting hot. I'm gonna like when you tie up yourself, I feel like you look.
I can't say nothing.
Alright, come. I just feel like you're cheating. Oh. Go.
Wait. Stop that.
Okay. I'm looking at my phone. It's 6:12. Go.
Watch her.
No, I was just.
I'll be a liar saying it was just swap. Check easy.
I don't do anything.
I'm off on the table if you don't do anything.
No. I have to look at the time.
So, hey.
So you're seeing then. You're cheating.
I'm not saying nothing.
So why? So yeah, tell me about.
Well, come, I can feel your presence beside of me.
I'm gonna like this. I like this. I like this.
Not for like.
Why you why are they so far? Yo. Time up. How much money is that? $100. Okay, it's my turn. It's my turn because I know me with this time. Come. If I know with the game this time, I know you do something dry game. And when I watch the video,
Take up the blood.
Oh. When I watch the video and say you cheat, me I go fight. Come.
You don't want to fight me.
I lie. Sorry, bad man. But I tie too tight now, I already feel like I get anxiety. Hurry up. Oh, Jesus. Are you done yet? Woo.
Can't wait.
Ready?
No. Take off.
Oh my God, I'm gonna shut my glasses and then I won't be able to see shit. Where's the spatula? Ready?
Right past me.
161187. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, sing that song, the Queen Africa.
I don't know. Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Why you shoot by the money?
I'm not sure what I'm going to fix something.
Wickedness can't done. Jaime, you shoot by the money.
I'm not sure with the money. You literally have touched the money right now.
Jaime, you shoot by the money because I don't feel nothing.
Hey!
Jaime, push by the money.
The money that you just touched the money.
Jaime, you shoot by the money. I'm not wicked.
Come on.
No.
Come leg off with the spatula, man. Yeah.
Jaime, you shoot by the money. I'm not.
Hey, enough. Hey, I can't do that.
Ah.
Yeah, hey, what the pan?
You shoot by the money.
You never shoot by no money.
The money there right this side, we can't fight.
Come on.
That's you cheating.
Come on.
No, there's
Hey,
no
hey,
way.
hey.
There's
Yeah,
no way,
look,
no
yeah,
money.
look.
There's
Yeah, look,
nowhere there's no money right here.
Come on, man.
You push for the money.
You don't push on no money.
You push for the money.
You lie to funny.
Yep.
Come on, man. Hey, leg off with the money. Hey. 5 seconds, yeah.
No, you push for the money,
Be a life to tell,
Jaime.
family. Be a life to tell. Done. That's $1 in there.
Jaime, you push for the
When I put
money.
where should put it? Anyways.
I'm upset. Tell this off of my neck. Because I get edgy. And the winner is Jody.
You know, it's not me.
Guys, comment down below and tell me what you think. I'm a winner regardless. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Press the notification button so you can be notified whenever we post videos. Whenever we post videos. Keep watching. I'm tired and stressed. I don't like this. I'm gonna do this over back. But not right now. I joke. It's whatever. I hope y'all have a great night. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I swear I can't stand in past my glasses. And of course, people, comment and tell me what you feel about that challenge.